Hello ladies and gentlemen, now I will show you how to buy a coin over Trustwallet on the Binance Smart Chain, Pancake Swap or PooCoin, that's what I wanted to say. So we need a Binance account where we can buy or sell cryptos. In our case we need BNB, so you can transfer them via your credit card or you buy them with a bank transfer, which takes about 2 to 3 days, or you make peer-to-peer trading, which means other people offer their crypto against US dollar or whatever. So after we bought our BNB, we go to spot, then you press BNB, you go to withdraw. Now we need our wallet. Here you see that's my Trust wallet. You need to go down. I added already some other coins to Smart Chain. You press receive, you press copy, then you type this address over there. The system recognizes it's a BEP20 address. You press max or as how many BNB you want to transfer. Then you press withdraw. You have to verify the code you get per phone or per mail. And then you wait a bit, like 1 minute or so. The next step is to go to charlestoken.io, so the website, copy the contract, go to buy Charles token, copy the link address, you go there to dApps, the search bar, press paste, up. Change this part to Smart Chain. Then you press connect. Oh, it's already connected. So your wallet is already connected. And then you can transfer maximum amount of tokens which are available to Charles. The slippage will be set automatically. In my case, I think I have 2 less BNB there. Oh, no, I don't. And then you would see how much money it would be, how much the fees are, and yeah. After that, you see you have your Charles token here. Perfect. So the next step is you go to wallet. You want to see how many Charles token you got. So we go there to this search token symbol. You go down. The contrast we copied earlier, you take. Okay, you have to first change to Smart Chain. Then you copy this address. I have to move my face. And then it will recognize it again. It's up. And then you see, here are my tokens. They are not visible. Don't ask me why. But anyway, that's it. I hope you found it helpful. If you need help, let me know. Join us, really. I would recommend you that. And yeah, see you.